So today for math, we're going to start a brand new chapter on Thursday or whenever you had time. We didn't have class on Monday. You finished up the review for the last chapter. So we're done with that. We're moving forward. So let me share my screen with you and let's take a look at our next unit here. So we're going to start by learning about perimeter. Now, I'm not sure, you guys will give me some feedback at the next meeting. I don't know if you guys have learned this before. If you have, then now you're just learning it in English. So you're learning the vocabulary, which is great too. So perimeter is the distance around the outside of a figure or shape. So it's just how long, like if you have a shape, a rectangle, it's how long around the outside. Nothing to do with the inside. We just need the lengths of the sides, and then we need to put them all together. So, for example, Warren and his dad built a fence in the backyard for his new puppy. Find the perimeter of the backyard. So we see his backyard and we see how long each side is. To find the perimeter, if you already know the side lengths, you just add the lengths of the sides. So it doesn't matter how many sides you have. This is rectangle, so we have 4, but we just need every single side length, and then we need to add them all together. So 12 plus 12, 24, 9 plus 9, whoa, 18. We'd add those together. 18 plus 24, 12, 4, 42. Now, when we're talking about length, we always have a label. It's whatever label was used in the beginning. It's not always going to be meters, but it's going to be some measure of length. So 42 m. So the perimeter is 42 meters. So we just add all the side lengths. Okay, let's keep moving. Find the perimeter of the shaded rectangle. Count the distance. So you're going to have some problems like this where it's not going to tell you the length. You need to figure it out on your own. And you can do that by looking at the unit squares. So we have this shaded, the blue part that we need to find the perimeter of. So we need to count how many units are on each side. They've done this one for us, but you'll have to do some on the next page. So they counted the boxes, the unit squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know this is 5 units across. Now, when we count the next side, we already counted this box, but that was for the top. We're going to do it again here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's rectangle, so we need 5 units on top. We have 5 on the bottom. We have 4 units over here, 4 over there. So then we just need to add those together. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So the perimeter is 18 units. Unit squares. All right, fill that in and let's keep on moving. Now, here's our key concept. If you ever forget, look back at this box. The perimeter of a figure is the distance around a figure with the sum of its side lengths. Sum means add, addition. So we have all the side lengths, we add them together to get the perimeter. Now we're not always going to have rectangles. Here's example 3 we'll do together, and then I'll just walk you through the rest. The perimeter of the figure is 33 feet. Find the unknown side length. Write an equation. So not all of your problems are going to ask, what is the perimeter? Sometimes they'll give you the perimeter, and they'll give you most of the side lengths, but you need to figure out one of them. So here's how we can solve that. You need to first write out your equation, write everything you know. 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9 plus question mark equals 33. Then we're going to add what we have here. 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9 gives us 29. Plus we still have a question mark, and our total is 33. So you can think in your head, 29 plus what will get me to 33? And then I know it's 4. Or you can do something else. You can do 33 minus 29, and then you'll find that that is 4. Right there, so 13. So I get the same answer. It just depends on your preference. You can just count up. I see I have 29, I need 30, 31, 32, 33. 4 more gives me 33. Or you can subtract. Unknown, sorry, I almost heard it wrong. Unknown side length is 4 feet, since 29 plus 4 equals 33. So those are the different types of problems you'll have to solve. Let me walk you through each one. No, come back, I want to clear you. Clear. There we go. Okay, so start here. Find the perimeter of each figure. So you have all the side lengths. You need to add them all together and just write the number here. They've already written your label. Centimeters here, units here. This one they tell you the side lengths, this one they do not. So this is like our example on the first page. You need to find all the side lengths first. So I'll do one for you and you do the rest. So here I see 1, 2. This side length is 2. Then I'm going to count this side length, and this one, this one, this one, this one. You're going to have a lot of lengths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Then add them all together. I guess I'll do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side is 4. You can find the other 4. Then add it all together. You already have the label. Okay. More pages. Here, we're still going, finding the perimeter. They either give you all the side lengths or you need to count the unit squares. They already have the label for you, so you just need to add it all up and put your answers in the blanks. For 3 through 6. Now here, you have some unknowns, like that second part on the last page. You are given almost all of the side lengths, but one is missing. But here, this is important. Each figure, the perimeter of each figure is 50 centimeters. Whoa, don't cross that out. Let's just underline it. I can't draw a straight line. So this added all together equals 50. Whoa, don't want to write that there. So this is all 50, this is all 50, this is all 50, and this is all 50. So you need to figure out what number is missing to make that equal 50. So here I have 17 plus 17 plus, that looks like 11. 17 plus 17 plus 8 plus question mark equals 50. The unknown is my question mark. What number goes here to make this true? Okay, so figure that unknown out, the question mark, and put it in your blanks. Last page. All right. Now, sometimes we won't do all of these, so just follow along. Make sure you just do the ones I tell you what to do. Maya's family is building a deck. The deck has 6 sides. Each side of the deck is 12 feet long. What is the perimeter of the deck? So if you want to draw her deck, you can. It has 6 sides. Each side is 12 feet long. So you have 6 sides. Each side is 12 feet long. You need to find the perimeter. So add that all up, and you need to have a label here. So make sure you know what measurement they're using. Number 12, the figure below has a perimeter of 21 feet. Find the length of the missing side. So this is just like what you were doing in the last few problems. You don't need to explain to a friend. You just need to find our unknown here. The total is 21. Okay, let's keep moving. Number 13, a fountain has 3 sides. Its perimeter is 36 meters. There are 2 equal sides. The third side is 14 meters. This one, let's draw it. I'll get you started here. The fountain has 3 sides. So it's going to be something like this, like up here, a mid or a triangle. So we know that this side and this side are equal. The third side is 14 meters. My total, 14 plus something equals 36. Now these two somethings are the same number. So you need to figure out what plus what, same number twice, plus 14 equals 36. All right. We won't do number 14. And we won't do number 15. So that's it for math today, perimeter. And you guys let me know once you're finished with this and we meet again. Let me know, is this something you've done before? Is this familiar to you? Is this easy? Is this confusing? Let me know, okay? All right, stop sharing. Next up, you're going to do watch some Mystery Science, and then we'll get to do a fun experiment next class.